let me give you two examples. Ha, uh, Somehow merge these two fractions and express it as one single fraction. So here visualize it as at the moment you've got one bubble divided by this bubble here. Okay, this divided by this bubble here. We don't really care what's on the top. It could be it could be anything. We don't really care. What we're interested in is what's at the bottom. We've got to somehow get the two denominators to be the same in order for us to add or take away fractions. So with this fraction here, let's times top and bottom by this bubble here. Okay, hang on, let me tidy this up. Okay, so visualize it as at the moment this is in a bubble. Even though there's a plus in between, just visualize it as one bubble because it exists as a bubble. Now with this fraction here, let's times top and bottom by the same thing, and this same thing could be anything. Now this same bubble, so the two bubbles here are actually the same, so it's okay. So you can times top and bottom by the same bubble here. Okay, and then on this side here, multiply top and bottom by this bubble here. Okay, so it'd be 4x times 4x. So at the moment you've got this fraction times top and bottom by this bubble here. Okay, and then with this fraction here times top and bottom by 4x. Okay, so this would be, hang on, plus, now 3 times the bubble here. So in effect, you've got this, 3 times, so really it's a 3, and then you're multiplying it by the bubble. The bubble happens to be x plus 2. Because you've got 3 here, you're timesing this thing here. Okay, hang on. So down here you've got 4x multiplying with remember we're timesing top and bottom by 2x, just so that the two denominators could be the same. That's why we're doing it. On this side we've got 5 times 4x here, which is 20x. Okay, and now we've got this bubble here times 4x here, 4x. So this bubble here is x plus 2. Sorry, 2. Hang on. X plus 2. Here, you can see the two denominators are actually the same. So you can imagine this as a 5, 3, 5, 3 over here. So 5 times 3 is the same as 3 times 5. So what I'm trying to say is that this the denominator here and here, they're actually the same thing. Okay, hang on. So let me just tidy this up. So this would be, hang on, this would be 3 bracket 2 x plus 2 here, and this would be 4x and then bracket x plus 2. Okay, on this side it would be 20x, and then here it will be bracket. Well, I'm going to switch it around just to keep it the same. Hang on. Instead of writing 2x bracket 2x, instead of writing this times 4x, I'm just going to write 4x bracket 2 plus x plus 2. Okay, and now we can just tidy this up. This times this will be, hang on, plus, hang on, 4x x plus 2 over here, 4x x plus 2 over here. Well, now this times this equals 3x, and then this times this, it would be plus 6. Okay, hang on. So now this would be 20x. The reason why we're multiplying this out and not doing it down here is because it simplifies down. I will need well, you see why. Hang on, you see why. Because of this 20x here, we're going to use it to simplify it. Hang on. So wait there. So here now the two denominators are the same. Let's merge. Okay, so it will be 4x. Now I'm not going to multiply this out like this. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So it's like this. Okay, and this will be 3x plus 6 plus 20x. The reason why we did this earlier, multiplying out like this, is because now you've got the 3x here and the 20x here. You can merge them. You can simplify. The reason why we didn't do it down here is because we don't really care. We can just leave it as it is. Up here, had I left it as this, well, basically, I know if I break up this thing here, I can merge it with this. Down here, there's nothing to merge it with, so let's just leave the downstairs alone. So here 3 elephants plus 20 elephants. That will be, hang on, that will be 23 elephants. Okay, and now you've got a giraffe here. Remember, single numbers on their own are like one entity. Well, there's no other single number around, so it just stays like that. And this can remain as this. Okay, let me give you another one. So this one here, visualize it as this. You've got one bubble here, and then you've got another bubble here. So times top and bottom on this side here, times top and bottom by x minus 3. So times x minus 3. Okay, this one's harder because you've got a plus here. In the previous one, you've only had well, anyway, just do it. Hang on. So on this side, let's times top and bottom here by times top and bottom here by the same thing, which is x. Hang on, I'm gonna tidy this up. This looks really messy. Hang on. So here you've got this fraction here. Let's times top and bottom by x minus 3. So top and bottom by x minus 3. Okay. With this fraction here, let's times top and bottom by this bubble here. Okay. By x plus 2. Okay. Here it will be x plus 2. Okay. So hang on. So let's tidy this up. Hang on. So now it's going to be 2 times this bubble here, okay, which will be this, minus 3. And then at the bottom, it will be this bubble, x plus 2, bracket, times this bubble here, x minus 3. Okay, on this side, we're getting 5 multiplying with that bubble there, so it will be 5, bracket, x plus 2. Okay, and then down here, it will be, well, I'm going to switch these two around. Okay, it doesn't really matter. So I just want it to be the same as this one here. So it will be x plus 2. So I'm getting this multiplying with this. X plus 2 times x minus 3. Okay. Now notice the two denominators are the same, so we can merge. So x plus 2 bracket x minus 3. Okay, on the top, let's multiply it out because if we do the same over here later on, we can merge, we can simplify basically. So let's do this. 2 times x will be 2x, and then 2 times 3. Well, remember you got a minus there. Will be 6 here. And now you've got a plus there, and 5 times x will be 5x, and then 5 times 2 will be plus 10. Now here, elephant, elephant, giraffe, giraffe. Okay, so let's simplify. So hang on, x plus 2, x minus 3 over here. So, well, we've got 2 elephants plus 5 elephants. That will be 7 elephants. And, well, all the single numbers on their own are like one entity, so we can merge them. Minus 6 plus 10. Remember, it's like this. Your starting point will be minus 6, and then you're adding 10. So you will be at plus 4. Okay. So this is your final answer. So here, let me tidy up. It will be this over x plus 2 bracket x minus 3, and then you're done. Okay.